Hi there, welcome back to Learn Tricks Excel, where we simplify the world of spreadsheets and make data handling easy and efficient. Today, we'll dive into an exciting function in Excel, REGEXEXTRACT. This function helps extract emails from any text in just few steps. Whether you're organizing email lists or automating tasks, this is a must now. Alright, let's jump in. Imagine you have a list of text in a column, and within that, text are emails scattered across. We want to extract those emails and organize them neatly in a separate column. Excel doesn't have a built-in REGEXEXTRACT function, but don't worry, we can use VBA to create our own custom function. To do this, press Alt F11 or go to Developer tab, then Visual Basic. Then go to Insert and create a new module. From here, you have to create a code. So I have the code here. You can take a screenshot, then write it. Paste the code here. Now go back to the worksheet. As you can see here, I have more text here with emails, so I want to extract emails from text. So to extract multiple emails from text in Excel, use the function as follows: equal regex, then select the first column, comma, then use this pattern. Paste the pattern here. Okay. Then press enter. As you can see here, I have emails extracted from text. Alright. So to apply the formula for others, just click here and drag. It's easy. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you in the next video.